My name's Delbert Crenshaw. I've been with Dobbs almost 27 years. My hometown, Southeast Missouri, I worked at a standard station. After I got out of high school, I started learning how to do the oil changes and tires and a little mechanic work. 1955 Ford Fairlane. Yeah, that's what my father and mother had. Oh, drive-in. Drive-in, yeah. I grew up on drive-ins. Yeah, we used to call them the passion pits when I was growing up. Oh, baseball, hands down. Huge Cardinal fan. I've been a Cardinal fan since 1964. I was 7 years old, and the best sport ever. Number one, just camaraderie of the people, in the company and the customers. I've got to know a lot of people in that length of time, and a lot of them's been coming in and wishing me well. So that makes me feel good.